So often we learn material in a specific location or context. So for example, we might learn about chemicals at home, alone in the dark while using our MacBook Pro. Consequently, we tend to associate that material we learn with this location or context. We might associate the chemicals with our home, with darkness, and with our MacBook Pro. Therefore, any of these cues, our home, darkness, or the Mac, could activate these memories. And in this location, we can easily remember the chemicals. But in other locations, like an exam hall, we might not be able to remember these chemicals as well. So, when the location or context in which we learn material is similar to the location or context in which we need to retrieve the material, our memory tends to be better. In contrast, when the location or context in which we learn material diverges considerably from the location or context in which we need to retrieve the material, our memory tends to be impaired. Now, many studies have confirmed this observation, which is sometimes called encoding specificity. So how can we utilise this observation to improve our memory? One approach is called the memory pack. Before we learn a topic, we first need to identify a set of objects that we could bring to a specific exam, but that otherwise we very seldom use. So some of these objects might be stationary, such as a special pen, a stress ball, or an eraser. Other objects might be clothes and accessories, like a ring, shirt, or scarf that we seldom use. And finally, some objects might be irrelevant tokens, like a painted fingernail or a piece of string around our wrist. Second, we should conceal these objects from ourselves until we study for this exam. And then while studying, we could use these stationery, wear these clothes and accessories and so forth to improve our memory. Now, if we remember to then bring these objects into the exam, we are more likely to remember the material we studied. Our performance in the exam should improve.